Hello and welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're going to learn alphabets. Let's get started. This is letter A. A, apple. This is letter B. B, bus. This is letter C. K, cat. This is letter D. D, dog. This is letter E. E, elephant. This is letter F. Frog. This is letter G. G, girl. This is letter H. Horse. This is letter I. Ice cream. This is letter J. J, jam. This is letter K. Kangaroo. This is letter L. Lemon. This is letter M. Mouse. This is letter N. Nut. This is letter O. Orange. This is letter P. Pig. This is letter Q. Queen. This is letter R. Rocket. This is letter S. Snake. This is letter T. Telephone. This is letter U. Uniform. This is letter V. Vase. This is letter W. Window. This is letter X. X-ray. This is letter Y. Yellow. This is letter Z. Zebra.
Repeat after me. Amy ate an apple at the park. Amy ate an apple at the park. Ben brought his book to the beach. Ben brought his book to the beach. Carlo caught a cat by the creek. Carlo caught a cat by the creek. David danced with his dog in the garden. David danced with his dog in the garden. Emily enjoys eating eggs every morning. Emily enjoys eating eggs every morning. Fred found 5 fish in the pond. Fred found 5 fish in the pond. Grace goes to the grocery store to get grapes. Grace goes to the grocery store to get grapes. Henry has a hat and a horse on his farm. Henry has a hat and a horse on his farm. Isabella is interested in insects and ice cream. Isabella is interested in insects and ice cream. Jack jumps joyfully on the jungle gym. Jack jumps joyfully on the jungle gym. Kevin kicked a ball in the backyard. Kevin kicked a ball in the backyard. Lily likes to listen to lively Lily likes to listen to lively music. Lily likes to listen to lively music. Made a magnificent sandcastle at the beach. Made a magnificent sandcastle at the beach. Nina noticed a nest with newborn birds in the tree. Nina noticed a nest with newborn birds in the tree. Oliver opened the orange umbrella during the rain. Oliver opened the orange umbrella during the rain. Penny painted a pretty picture of a pink flower. Penny painted a pretty picture of a pink flower. Quinn quickly ran to catch the bus. Quinn quickly ran to catch the bus. Rachel reads a lot of books in her room. Rachel reads a lot of books in her room. Sam saw a squirrel sitting on a branch. Sam saw a squirrel sitting on a branch. Tina takes the train to work every day. Tina takes the train to work every day. Victor visited a vibrant village on vacation. Victor visited a vibrant village on vacation. Wendy walked with her white dog in the woods. Wendy walked with her white dog in the woods. Xavier and his friends played xylophones in the band. Xavier and his friends played xylophones in the band. Yer yelled with excitement at the amusement park. Yer yelled with excitement at the amusement park. Zach sipped his jacket before going outside. Zach sipped his jacket before going outside.